the tutorial on the new app menu, the tab navigation and how to handle it by profile. They changed it from 6 months ago. You can no longer assign the tabs to a certain profile. It's now all containerized within an app. And that app could be Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud. And those tabs are then controlled within the app that you control the branding with, that you can control to the profiles. Let me show you how it's done. So the first thing is you go to Setup in Lightning, you go to App Menu, then on the far right, you click the arrow. Once you see that, drop down, and then you've just followed the screenshots. You can no longer control the apps by tabs and then assign it to profiles like you could 6 months ago. So these are all the apps. You can see that here. And this is Lightning App Exchange up here. So that's how they render. So it'll be Draw Loop, Salesforce, whatever, right? Lightning. And then once you're on this page, it's all controlled in a single app. And then you open that app up to a profile. Right? So you determine it this way. You click up here and set up and edit. Then you go to App Manager. You go into the app, you see the list of apps, and then you go over here, or you do a new Lightning app up here when you open it up. Like, what object does it default on? Versus the new one is they go with app details and branding, change the color, app options, utility bar, selected menus, and the like. You can upload an image, the company logo right here, right? And then the app options are navigation, standard navigation, console navigation, etc. Service Cloud, right? And then over here on the utility bar is where you put in the additional things like chat or filter lists within the container. It's no longer just a tab menu control. It's all things related to a page layout and an app. And then you select the items you want to move over, assets, campaigns, which are on the top. And that's how you move it. This looks familiar? It is, but it's all different. And then you can decide who you're going to assign it to, what profiles. And that's how you control this app. This is the new Lightning App Manager and how you control the menus. If you have any questions, email me.